Hello students, you are studying class 9th chapter 13 NCERT surface area and volume. Surface area and volume you have finished in class 8th, 7th and other classes also. Very simple way you are studying the cuboid. What is the cuboid? Plane figures, how the cuboid is formed. Very simple figure. When you put the paper sheets same size, then you will get a cuboid. In class 8 it is given. It is a cuboid. Cuboid has edges. This is called the edge. This is called the vertex. And this is called the surface. So what is edges? Plain surface like a paper. When the many papers you are putting like this one over the other, you will get a thick book and copy. Copy, book, paper, geometry box, pencil box, tiffin, these all are cuboids. So cuboids, what is the cuboid? Rectangular faces joined by edge by edge. So there is a surface. How many surface? It has a 4, like a room is cuboid. Floor, roof, walls, 4 plus 2, 6. Vertices. Vertices are edges. This when 3 edges meets, this is called the vertex. This is called the vertex. This is called the, so 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. And edge. Where 2 plane surfaces are meets, then it is called the edge. There is a 4 length, 4 breadth, 4 height, total 12 edges. So it has all are rectangles. So there is a length, there is a breadth, there is a height. So area of this will be LB, area of this will be BH, area of this will be LH, length and height. So like this when you will calculate, then you get the total surface area, which you know in the previous class, is twice of the length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. That is all 6, 2 to 4 to 6 faces areas you have. But one is called lateral surface area, or you can say that for the room it is a area of 4 walls. It is also calculated by 2 or only roof. 2LB will be removed, so 2L plus B into height. 2L plus B, which is called the perimeter of the base into height. Or you can say that perimeter of base multiplied by height is also your area of 4 walls. Volume is the area of base into height. Area of base into height will be, that is called, area of base is L into B, L, B, H. So area of base into height you are getting LBH. So it is a very important LBH, length, breadth, height multiply. It is in the cubic centimeter. Volume always cubic unit. And it is area is always square unit. That you know, square unit means square centimeter, square meter, square this. Cubic means cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, cubic meter. So it is a cuboid. Then you know the cube. Cube is a figure whose all the faces. It is also a cuboid whose all the faces are square. What is? All the faces are square and its length equal to breadth equal to height. All are same. So it is called cube. So surface TSA of the cube is the 6 times the area of base. All are A square. And its surface, vertex and edge will be same. Lateral surface area will be 4A square and the volume is equal to A cube, L into B into H. What is the longest rod? It is called the diagonal. Diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid is L square plus B square plus H square. Longest rod you can put in the cuboid from this corner to bottom, from this top to front bottom, this and this. From this corner to that corner you can get the longest card, and you can apply Pythagoras. You are getting this three-dimensional figure. So one line you draw from the middle like this. So here right triangle, it is H, it is under root A square plus L square plus B square. So all will be like this. Pythagoras 2 times with all are 90. Right circular cuboid is this. You are getting cylinder. After this a figure is given. So on the basis of this full chapter is given cylinder. What is the cylinder? One the coin. Now you will get the cuboid, cube and then cylinder. All the formulas you write down. What is the cylinder? Cylinder also has the same thing. What is the basis? 2 base and 1 curved surface. Cylinder, it is a pen is a cylinder. So 2 base. What are you getting? Here it is a cylinder. In the cylinder, what are you getting? There is 2 base, right circular cylinder. Right circular means there is no slant. There is a 2 base. And it is a curved surface. It is a curved surface, so joined by edges. So, if it has a radius r and this height is h, then its curved surface, that is called curved surface area, will be perimeter of the base, like area of the four wall. Perimeter of the base means 2 pi r h. Total surface area is equal to CSA plus twice of area of base. That is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. What will you get? 2 pi r common, h plus r. So, total surface area of the volume will be 1. Volume is area of the base. Area of base is not L into B, it is radius. So, volume of cylinder is equal to area of base means pi r square h. Area of base into height, pi r square h. It is the volume of cylinder. This is the 3 formulas you will use: CSA, TSA and the volume. If it is open, then one base you take, both the side pipe is there, then only CSA. Then cone you will get. What are you getting? After the cylinder, there is a 2 leaves and you make the cylinder. You make the cylinder by paper also. I have told you, by paper means you are folding like this along the length. Along length when you are taking, then it will be height. When you are folding like this, then height is this and this will be a circumference. One part length, if length is folding, height will be breadth. If height is folding, then length will be the circumference and length will be the height and this will be circumference. So by circumference of the base you can get the radius. It is very important. Radius you can get. So cylinder, maybe the pipe, maybe there is a both the side open, then only CSA is your surface area. One side open, both the side open, and you will calculate it. Cone. What is the cone? Cone is a part. If there is a seat, it is a one seat. When you fold it like this, when you fold it, you will get a cone. What are you getting? There is a cone. Cone is a part of a cylinder. You can cut. When you complete it, you will get it. When it is a radius, this is called a slant height. What is called? Slant height. And one is right circular cone, so it is called vertical height. Height of the cone and slant height of the cone. So by this, its curved surface area is equal to pi r L. Its total surface area is equal to CSA plus base. Only one base is there. It has one base, pi r L plus pi r square. What will you get? Pi r common in bracket L plus r. It is the TSA, but volume of the cone will be 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. It is verified by the model. You can take a one cylinder of same radius. You can take a one cylinder of same radius and same height, one cone of same radius and same height, and you put the sand from this. Putting the sand here, fill it and put inverted cone you take and fill. Both have same height. This height is R, this is R, and you can do this experiment, it is H, then this will be and this 3 times. When you 3 times fill by this cone to this tank, you get it will be completing, its capacity is full up to the brim. It means the 3 times of this cone is the volume of cylinder. So 1/3, therefore volume of the cone is 1/3 of the, not 2, 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder of same radius, same height. It is experimentally you can prove it. So there is a very important thing, but how will you get this L? It is not clear. L is the slant height by Pythagoras. L square is equal to H square plus R square. So you will get this. It is a very common formula. After this you will get the sphere. Do you know the ball? The spherical ball? Ball is a sphere. What is there in this chapter? Full chapter you can solve. It is totally based on the formula. Sphere. Sphere is a ball. One ball you are taking. It has a diameter, but this diameter is the height. Height of the sphere is the diameter. All around the same, and then surface area is 4 pi r square. If the radius r is equal to d by 2. How it is verified? Do you know? It is verified experimentally when you take the 4 circles. 4 circle of same radius. 4 circle of same radius you take and take a thread. And thread you put on it and then you cut. Here you put and then cover hold the circle. Here you put and very closely you cover this circle. Here you put the thread one part and very closely you this make a coil and you complete hold. All the 4 circle you cover. One circle has area pi r square. This thread you join and take here. Take one circle thread and from the tip you start to covering very closely. Second thread you take again, start from same place. Third thread from end of that, fourth place, and you are seeing all the thread of 4 circles is covering the whole sphere is covered by this thread. It means how much area here, that area is this surface. So that side it is 4 times. So its surface area is called, which is total and CSA both. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is also proved by the experimentally. And when you cut the sphere in 2 parts, you will get half of it like a circle, it's semicircle. Here you will get a hemisphere. What will you get? A bowl. When you cut from middle, you will get, there is a hemisphere. What are you getting here? Hemisphere. Hemisphere is what? Just half of the sphere. But it has a base. When you cut it, you are getting it has a base. When you are cutting it, you are getting it as a base. Hemisphere, it is curved surface and it is a base. You are getting. It has a circle. Like this you are getting a bowl. And height of this hemisphere, it is called a hemisphere, half of the sphere. That you can bowl, you are eating the things. So this is called the radius, and radius is the height of hemisphere. Diameter is the height of sphere. Radius is the height of hemisphere. There is a 2 surface, curved surface and the base. So CSA of hemisphere is just half of this. That is 2 pi r square. CSA is what? 2 pi r square. but TSA will be here, CSA plus base area. 2 pi r square, it is also r, so it is also pi r square. So what is there? Together 3 pi r square. It is your TSA. TSA is 3 pi r square, CSA is 2 pi r square. Volume will be half of the volume of 2 by 3 pi r cube. Half of the volume of sphere. You are getting half of the volume of sphere. So combined figure also you can get. So there is different type of the figure, different volumes, different things. Cone you are getting, different shapes you are getting, sphere you are getting. So these formulas are very important. Sometimes you will get the hollow cylinder, hollow ring, hollow sphere or hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere is like this. Hollow hemisphere is like this. This is there. It means maybe there is a like this. It is an open place. So there is a area is a ring. How will you get the area of this? Outer area, CSA outer, CSA inner, and this ring. If one is radius capital R, one is radius small r. Here radius is small r, here capital R. So ring will be pi capital R square minus small r square. Outer is CSA of outer will be 2 pi capital R square. CSA of inner will be 2 pi small r square. Then you can get. Like this you can get a hollow cylinder also. What are you getting? Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means there is a ring. In between there is a base. Base is like this. You are getting base like this. You will get this area, not total base. Here also you are getting like a ring. You will get this area outer circle minus inner circle. And then CSA of outer and then CSA of inner. Like this you can get the total area. So what is there according to this you can solve the question. I hope it is clear. With the help of this you will solve the exercise and example. Exercise 13.1 and there were 2 examples given, and then next lecture I will tell you this also. Thanks.